What, your bag's in Mummy's bag? Whee!
Whee!
Oh, I'll look after you, Jackson.
Oh,
Mummy didn't want to.
look, there's the
Love you.
park.
Love you. Do you? How much?
Get ready for the
Not
jelly.
something. Not something.
Who's thumping?
You.
I'm not thumping.
Sunshine.
That's lovely sunshine, isn't it? That's alright. Oh!
Sat on seats and not on laps. That's all children sat on seats and not on laps. Thank you.
Got me wet.
Another one.
I've got all about that. Oh, is he going to fire at us? I can't believe I lost my hat. No, it's fine. He used to be over there and he used to go rut, 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 rut.
Another one.
Oh, some rats. No, it's no more. It's all under control, Jackson. It's fine.
Monkey's not working.
No,
Oh, here comes the big drop.
no, got a little while. An accident. Oh, an accident. A Beelzebub.
Keep your wits about you.
It might look like I've had an accident in a minute.
Look in there. That's where everyone was dead.
I do love a good log flume. Used to fire from here as well. Oh, the big splash isn't working, so you used to get a rocket come out, a ball come out of there and go boo! Yeah, not quite splashing. Oh, it's fine. Sun's out, what more do you want? Yeah, you can go in the boat, won't show. Oh, big splash!
You'll not be getting your hands on my friend.
Imagine if he fired water and you got stuck here. Go oh, here we go, Jackson. Disease. She died a terrible death. Oh, they've made him new. These guys are new. And these sandbags. Boom!
Mind you stay seated and hold on
There's a
tight.
skull.
Things might get a little
There's a
rough.
skull, look.
Oh yeah,
You've been
it's a
holding
skull.
on tight there, my dears. We'd be running into uncharted waters.
Rico Mortis, a truly solid citizen. Master cabin maker.
Mind you stay seated and hold on tight.
Oh.
Things might get a little rough. You've been holding on tight there, my dears. We'd be running into uncharted waters.
He said, oh, dear. Okay.
No, sits down.
Mind you stay seated and hold on tight. Things might get a little rough. You've been holding on tight there, my dears. We'd be running into uncharted waters.
And here we go. On the mighty Pirate Falls. Lift hill.
Oh, I don't like
Oh
it.
no 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 no.
I'm gonna get soaking. Oh, please, oh. Oh, this is gonna be horrible.
That's awesome.
Oh, look at that. That's all the dead things.
Yeah. Ah.
My head. Piggy.
Where'd it get us there? Where'd it? Oh, that'd be awesome, wouldn't it? I I can see pigeons. No, you hold on. Just gonna light the fuse. Oh, there goes the fuse. See it? It's going along.
Gonna bang in a minute.
Smile for the camera. Ready? It's gone into the TNT. Ready, steady. Oh, we got proper wet. That was awesome. The buttons aren't working today. Oh, we got soaked. Did you enjoy that? No. Should we do it again?
No!